What's going on? Ryan Troy, back with another video for you today, and back on the scene, on location, with another shoot for you today. Now, as you know, my AD300 did break on my last shoot. Hopefully this shoot goes better. It's going to be at night, so I cannot guarantee that the quality will be any better, considering at nighttime it's kind of sort of you get what you get, unfortunately. I think the model's bringing somebody. She said somebody else is driving her, so we'll see if they could hold equipment. I will make sure that I be like, hey, I'm gonna need you to hold this light stand, because if my AD400 and AD600 break, that's gonna cause me some business right there. Sucks, but it is. So I'm gonna go out, walk around, check out the location, see what everything look like, see the spots that I want to shoot at, and then after that, check back in with you guys. So, see you later.
So is it gonna be much like posing, or mainly just walking, like
Posing and walking, but not walking like that. So
like pretending?
right, pretending. Let me just see where the light's hitting you. Stay right there. Step up a little bit. About right there. Hold up. All right, here we go. You ready? All right, so we're going half steps. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to give me some lookaways, but when you look away, look towards the light, not necessarily at the light, because I don't want you to like be looking up like this. I kind of want it as if you really was gonna look so like even. Go ahead, let me get it. Like even with your face, like, so don't cock your head up. You know what I'm saying? Like look away. Yeah, like that. Like it was a person. So like on eye level with the person. Yeah, so like at me, yeah. All right. There you go, like that, perfect. 1 second. Look this way for me. Perfect. Stay just like that. I like that too. Look that way how you were. Yeah, perfect. Chin down just a tad bit. Yep, just like that. And eyes right at the camera. Perfect. And just I want to just show you, because we're not getting legs right now, so kind of like right there, all right?
Gotcha.
Let me turn this light on in the back.
Do you care like
I'm listening.
Is there like a spectrum of too sexy or like too?
No, you
like,
can do whatever you want.
Or, like, anything?
Whatever you want.
Okay, because I didn't know.
Yeah. Hold up. Let's make sure we good with perfect. Let me back up a little bit. Somebody behind you. Do you want to kind of like cool down a little bit?
Okay.
You good? All right, cool.
I'm not too cold. It's kind of helpful.
All right, cool. Perfect. Perfect. Actually, let me show you so you can see something first.
Oh, those are really good. Ooh, I love these.
You like up close like that?
Yes.
Okay. You want to take a couple more up close like that, or what? Good. All right, actually, let me see if I got my reflector. Nice. Do me a favor, drop that hand and drop that hand and turn your body a little bit to the side. Oh yeah, what's your good side again? All right, cool. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Just like that. Stay like that. Chin down just a tad bit. Perfect. 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 I want these little lights in the background. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Perfect. Yeah, yeah, yeah.